Imagine floating in space, surrounded by the vastness of the universe. You take a sip of your favorite drink, and then you feel that familiar pressure in your stomach. You think, time to burp! But wait, here in microgravity, things work a bit differently. Without gravity, the gas in your stomach doesn't separate from the liquids. So, when you try to burp, it's not just a simple release of gas. Instead, it's a mix of liquid and gas that can lead to some rather uncomfortable situations. Astronauts have to be careful. Burping in space can even lead to a little bit of a mess. So next time you're enjoying a fizzy drink, remember, in space, burping is a whole different ballgame. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe and click that button for more fun facts.